Do you have a kids get out of the kitchen way of cooking at your house? One local mom's mission and passion is to get kids all over the world into the kitchen, confidently cooking healthy food. When the pandemic canceled an upcoming TEDx presentation, that didn't stop local blogger Katie Kimball with Kitchen Stewardship and Kids Cook Real Food from giving her presentation anyway.
Yeah, I'm a former elementary teacher. I'm a mom of 4, and like a lot of people, when I had my first baby, I realized that food matters. Like every bite is fueling this little tiny body. And so I got really into cooking healthy food, started a blog teaching families to go healthy without going crazy. And I kept hearing the same story, like, Katie, I really want to get healthy, but this is so hard because my mom never taught me to cook. And I think that's kind of the story of our generation. And so I realized, like, we have got to break that cycle and teach our kids to cook.
Her passion doesn't get overlooked. She was invited to present at TEDx.
Yeah, that was a big goal, a big dream for 2020. And I was accepted to speak in North Dakota. And I actually kept saying, oh, I'm so glad I'm in little North Dakota because I think it's really going to happen. And like Houston and big ones, surely I think they're going to be canceled, 2020. And then 9 days before my event, little North Dakota decided to put it off a whole year. And I was completely ready. Like, oh, it was so devastating.
So what did you do? How did you take matters into your hands?
Well, after a couple days, like I had kind of come to terms with things, and my speaking coach said, Katie, I really think this message is for now. Like, parents need this. I really want you to think about doing it yourself. I thought, that's crazy. Nobody does a stage talk by themselves, but that's what I ended up doing. I rented a beautiful auditorium here in Byron Center, spoke to an audience of nobody so that I could speak to an audience of everyone, because I really think now is the time. Like, schedules are kind of funky and we have a little more time. People are at home, and more than ever, kids need that confidence of feeling like they can do something real, something authentic. And so I just threw it out there and took a big risk. Felt that the message of, we call it the kids meal revolution. We have to change the fact that our culture has lowered the bar so much that we don't expect kids to eat normal food. We expect them to eat chicken nuggets, pizza, mac and cheese, and hamburgers. And I'm just really passionate about getting out there and telling parents, like, this isn't the way it has to be. Your kids are so capable. They can do so much in the kitchen, and the benefits are immense. The easiest way to get there is kidscookrealfood.com/revolution. And there you can just make a little commitment. We have these little signs, your family's joining the Kids Meal Revolution, and just a small, tiny commitment as a parent to say yes the next time your kid asks to help in the kitchen.
Do you have any quick things offhand that people will learn from this, what they'll walk away with, or you hope that they do?
Yeah, I'm known for being super practical. Mom of 4, kind of have to be. And so my 3 tips in the talk are to start young, before age 5 if you can, to teach skills, not recipes. Like, I think it's intimidating to think of a kid doing a recipe start to finish. But if you can just say, let's just teach measuring, let's just teach peeling, right? Just one little thing, and that can vault kids into confidence for more. And then the third one is just to cook at the right time. The secret's not to do it when you're super stressed out before dinner. Plan a different time when the kids are happy, like after they've eaten.
Thank you so much for your time. We do appreciate it.
Oh, it's a pleasure, Leanne.
And fingers crossed, Katie will get to present a whole new presentation at the TEDx in August.